One template is good for manufacturing approximately 1,000 discs. With this, the electroplating process comes to an end, and the first negative is prepared as a mould. To manufacture the mould, the back of the template is ground with very fine emery paper in order to remove the microscopic roughness on the surface. As the central position of the hole gets lost during electroplating, the template is put into a centering device where it's centered on its exit groove. The disc has a lateral tolerance of 0.2 millimeters. If the centering isn't exact, the disc will not rotate correctly. Now the surplus edge of the template is cut off, making the mould smaller. In the final step, a profile is formed at the edge and within the central area of the template, so the template can be mounted exactly in the vinyl press. The finished stamper is clamped into the mould of the unit. For each side, one pressing matrix is required. Then a granulate of a synthetic PVC compound in viscous form is put into the so-called extruder and formed into small vinyl cakes, which are put into the press. The cakes weigh about 160 grams and have a temperature of 160 degrees Celsius. The mould is steam heated to 180 degrees, which liquefies the vinyl cake. With the use of hydraulics, the press tools compress the vinyl cake at a pressure of 110 tons. In this way, the grooves are pressed into the vinyl, and by means of the groove guard profile, the round form of the disc emerges. The two labels per disc are added from the side in the same procedure and pressed onto the vinyl. After that, the press tools are flushed with water to cool the newly emerged vinyl disc. The pressing procedure with heating up and cooling down takes approximately 22 seconds per disc. Now the excess edges of the disc are cut off in order to reduce the disc to its final size, in this case a 12-inch. The cut-off vinyl edges and the discs in general are recyclable and can be melted down and newly pressed several times. However, the quality gradually diminishes. The vinyl disc has a final weight of approximately 140 grams. For quality control purposes, single discs are taken randomly off the press for sampling. They're checked visually and for sound quality. Finally, the discs are packed and prepared for shipping. For the huge steam boilers, heat exchangers, hydraulic devices, oil aggregate and cooling towers, which are all necessary for operating the unit, a lot of space is required. As cool as it may sound, a vinyl pressing plant at home is impracticable for all these reasons.